Hi, today I'm reviewing the Flaskin Rice Enzyme Protein Toner. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I never waste time on sponsored ads or videos. So if that's something you're into, like, subscribe, share the video, check out the links below, and check out and subscribe to my newsletter. So this is a newer brand. I believe they are owned by the brand called Beta-Glucan, which also owns Numbuzin. And probably a few other K-beauty brands. This product is currently sold on Olive Young's website as well as Amazon, so I will link to those below. You can check them out. The prices vary between the two websites, so keep that in mind. And then I have a feeling maybe this will be at some point sold on other sites as well. So, okay, so they call this a high-density protein-boosting toner that gently exfoliates to remove dead skin buildup, deeply moisturizes without oily residue, and brightens skin to improve pigmentation. Best used when together with the soy milk relief protein lotion for 326% more brightening, more effective brightening. So, and yeah, so owned by Now, which also owns Numbuzin. So, and I will address those promises. I'll also do a pH test as well. So, first criteria is packaging. We've got a plastic bottle with a nice opening, which dispenses a good amount of it. I'm having a lot of problems with the new one from Pharmacy, their Honey Essence. The opening of that one is just too small. It really, I have to put all my effort into getting it out, and it's kind of annoying, but whatever. I guess that has nothing to do with this, but I thought I'd mention it. I might need to do a versus of this, because now there's a few rice toners out there on the market, and I'm curious to see how they would stack up against each other. So, totally off comment. So, okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. It also has no fragrance and no real scent to it, which is also nice for sensitive skin types. It's manufactured in Korea, so no issues with that. So let me do a quick pH test. They do mention exfoliation from this. I don't really see that, and I'm okay with it. But let me do a little. Okay, so for the pH of this one, there we go. I would say almost 5 right on. So no issues with that. You're just not going to get much chemical exfoliation from that, but that might not be everyone's goal. That's certainly not my goal with this. So, okay, so ease of use. Apply this with a cotton pad, or you can pat it onto skin. I prefer to use it with a cotton pad, or sometimes I have a washcloth that I'll just soak the corner of and then smooth it out, and then I'll just wash it with my towels and things like that. So a little bit goes a long way, smooths over skin nicely. It's got a very watery texture to it, so a little bit of it goes a very long way, which makes it a nice option for some people like myself. Yeah, so very nice. Once it soaks in, it sets to a I'd say a natural finish, and it's non-greasy, non-sticky, and just a touch shiny and non-sticky. So feels very nice, very easy to use, very easy to add to your routine, very easy to use as a toner or pat it on like an essence. You can use it either way or both ways. I like using it as a toner because then my essences that I use are typically a little bit thicker. So, and this one's kind of thin. But it is very hydrating feeling on skin, which is nice. Okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in here. So we've got rice extract, which is skin conditioning, hydrating, and a soothing ingredient. If they use rice extract like grounds, sometimes it can be exfoliating, but this is pretty liquid, so yeah, so not that at all. We've got niacinamide, anti-acne, skin brightening. We've got Centella Asiatica, antioxidant, soothing, anti-inflammatory. We've got fig extract, which is a humectant. We've got oat kernel extract, antioxidant, soothing emollient. We've got artichoke leaf extract. Artichoke leaf makes me want that artichoke dip with like crusty French bread and cheese. Oh, that sounds so good. Anyway, artichoke's a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got green tea water, which is a tonic or an oil-absorbing ingredient. We've got Beta-Glucan, skin soothing, antioxidant, humectant. We've got the star show, rice protein, hydrating, antioxidant, soothing ingredient. Ceramide NP, skin identical ingredient, berry repairing ingredient. Then we've got mannitol, which is a sugar-derived humectant. And then finally, we've got papain, which is a skin brightening ingredient, kind of a mild exfoliant. So I really This doesn't do any real exfoliating, but it is super nice and hydrating, so I'm okay with that. I don't expect one product to be hydrating, brightening, and exfoliating all at once. I don't even know if that's possible. I'm sure it is, but I have yet to find the star product that does all of that. So, okay, in terms of animal testing, yet again, Benau states they're cruelty-free. Numbuzin's cruelty-free, so it looks like this one is too. And perhaps they're sold in China, but I will, there's an article I read where it basically made them sound like they're cruelty-free, so I'm going off of that statement, which can always be contradicted at some point by somebody somehow. In terms of performance, so you can see how nicely it's soaked in. My skin looks plump. It's a natural finish, non-sticky. It's very nice. It leaves skin feeling soft and smooth and hydrated, and very much enjoying this so far from this brand. I look forward to trying more from them. In terms of what this product promises, it promises to reduce dead skin cells, provide hydration without oiliness, provides light texture like water and deep hydration of emulsion, improves blemish scars, improves outer skin brightness and inner skin brightness, which I don't know outer and inner skin brightness, but I would say this pretty much does deliver on most of these, and it will continue to deliver with more continued use. This won't remove blemish scars or brighten skin immediately, but with continued use, it will help that. You can't expect, outside of instant hydration from products, generally you can't expect much else from a product within like a month of using it, even 2 months. A lot of anti-aging things, 3, 4, 5 months. Brightening, depends on what you've used in the past. If you haven't used a lot of skincare, then you might notice something instantly because you haven't used much, but if you use a lot of other things, it takes time to notice that. But I do agree with, for the most part, what they promise that they do deliver in this. Maybe with the exception of a lot of exfoliation, but it just has that papain in there, which will help with that. So, okay, so for acne-prone skin, there's no ingredients of note, which is nice. So it's very friendly for all skin types. Oily, dry, normal, sensitive, acne-prone. I think it's friendly for all of those. And it's very rare to find a product that can do all of that for all skin types. So it's kind of makes it a very unique unicorn type product when it fits all the skin types. Okay, in terms of the price, so this is the full size, 250 milliliters, 8.45 ounces, and on Amazon, it's $14. On Olive Young, it's a little bit more expensive, so check it out. I'll link to it at Amazon, and it's sold by the brand owner, sold and shipped by them. So, and then last but not least, the It Factor. I really like this one. This one hits all my favorite points. It's gentle but effective, hydrating but not greasy, friendly for all skin types, including all of them. Very affordable, very nice product, well worth a try. If you love the I'm From Rice Toner, I think this one is a little bit more of an exciting product. It's got a little bit more beneficial ingredients of that one, and I think if you like that one, this one's worth a try as well. And I'll have to do a versus of the two. So, okay, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 10. I love it. It's wonderful. I wish I had it in a little tiny bottle because I'm going to bring it on vacation with me. So, because I really enjoy it. Anyway, interested hearing from you guys. If you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.